I have this other idea, which is to replace the NAND gates with a pair of inverting amplifiers, and then this is a comparator. And I thought maybe putting an LED in the loop, and then actually driving it here with some sort of maybe a PWM output from the Pico, and then maybe connecting that to the analog input, and then just doing, since I haven't got an oscilloscope, and since I can't drag all this stuff to the Hackspace. The Hackspace is, I don't know if that's working. Last time I went, there was nobody there. That's from Horowitz and Hill, 1998 edition. And I thought that might work to turn it into a random key generator. It's said that if you use very high resistances in the feedback and input resistors of op-amp circuits, then you get circuits that are very subject to thermal noise and things. So I'm wondering if I make this thing up to sort of 1.5 megaohm and match these R-in and RF, the feedback and the input resistors, make them almost the same. Whether this will produce some thermal noise.